Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Criminality. To begin, you'll choose between two distinct roles, a law-abiding police officer or a notorious criminal. Each path offers unique objectives and gameplay experiences. As a criminal, your goal is to commit various illicit acts and evade capture, while police aim to uphold order and arrest offenders. Understanding these fundamental choices is your first step into the game's dynamic world. As a criminal, your primary goal is to accumulate wealth and reputation. Engage in activities like robbing stores, banks, and even other players. Successfully completing these tasks will earn you cash, which you can use to purchase better weapons and equipment. Always be mindful of the police and other rival criminals, as they will actively try to stop you. Strategic planning and quick reflexes are key to a successful criminal career. If you choose the path of law enforcement, your mission is to maintain peace and apprehend criminals. Patrol the city, respond to alerts about ongoing crimes, and work with fellow officers to take down high-value targets. Arresting criminals earns you experience and money, allowing you to upgrade your gear and vehicles. Effective communication and teamwork are crucial for a strong police presence and keeping the city safe from chaos. To truly excel in criminality, mastering the game's mechanics is essential. Familiarize yourself with the expansive map, learning key locations for both offense and defense. Experiment with the wide array of weapons, understanding their strengths and weaknesses in different combat scenarios. Practice your aim and movement to gain an edge in firefights. Consider joining a crew to coordinate strategies and dominate the server as a unified force, enhancing your overall experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.